Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay guys, I have a live coming up on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Today is September 5th, so I have a live coming up and I will be announcing the person who won the cup. I created a cup on last Thursday's video on live, and I decided to do a giveaway for those that showed up at the live. I decided to do a giveaway, a drawing to give the cup to one of the subscribers that were there, you know, or one of the viewers that were there watching the video. So the cup is now ready. I just finished preparing it, and now it's ready for whoever the winner is. And this is the cup that I made on last Thursday. If you're interested, you can go to my lives and you can actually see me making this cup and preparing it. So I just cleaned it up real good and got it ready to go out. And for those of you who don't know, the cups are always this color, stainless steel. This is how the cup look on the outside and the inside before I put color on it or do anything to it. So again, this cup is going to the winner in the straw set. To whomever the winner is that announced. You guys that were there, you know who you are. So you have to be there in order to win, because I'm going to need you to contact me through the way that I have you contact me, so I can get it out to you. If you're not there, you're not going to know you won, and I will have no way of getting this out to you. So for those of you that were there, you already know who you are, and you already know you were entered into the drawing. Please be there. The live start at 6 p.m. every Thursday, Eastern Standard Time. So again, and congratulations to the lucky winner. I'll see you guys on the next video.